Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. My name is Praveen Kumar and today I have one cue card, latest cue card. This has been asked to one of my students who appeared in IELTS exam in recent IELTS test held in Amritsar. And the cue card is describe a family member who has had an important influence on you. आपने किसी अपने फैमिली मेंबर के बारे में बोलना है जिसका आपके ऊपर बहुत ही गहरा प्रभाव है, इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फ्लुएंस है, प्रभाव है। हु दिस पर्सन इज, ये पर्सन कौन है? दिस पर्सन कैन बी योर मदर, योर फादर, योर ब्रदर, सिस्टर, ओके, एनी वन पर्सन यू कैन चूज हियर। what kind of person he or she is. So what kind of person he or she is, आप यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं कि उसका बिहेवियर, जनरल नेचर, बिहेवियर, स्वभाव कैसा है, काइंड हार्टेड, डाउन टू अर्थ, कंपैशनेट, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, all that you can talk over here. What this person has done to influence you, why this person means what has he done, उन्होंने क्या ऐसा किया कि जिसकी वजह से उनका आपके ऊपर बहुत ही पॉजिटिव इन्फ्लुएंस है, प्रभाव है। एंड एक्सप्लेन व्हाई यू थिंक दिस पर्सन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यू, और ये पर्सन आपके लिए क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है। So friends, in this topic you will use present tense. It could be present indefinite, present perfect, और सिंपल इज एम आर यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज। तो अब मैं अपने आप को यहाँ से कैमरे से हटाता हूँ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ सैम्पल आंसर, ओके, एंड you can prepare your topic accordingly. So here I'm going now, and yes, so the sample answer is along with the vocabulary. I'm going to talk about my mother who has played an essential role in my life. Essential role means very important, very crucial role. You can also use word here, crucial role in my life. She is my guardian, my friend, and my role model. She is my guardian, my caretaker, my friend, and my role model. Role model means she is my role model. मेरा वो आदर्श है. I want to become like her. My mother is in her 40s now. In her 40s means वो 40s के आसपास है, maybe 38, 39. But she still maintains a youthful look. But she still looks young. इन टर्म्स ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी, इन टर्म्स क्या, यहाँ पे एक लिंकिंग वर्ड यूज किया, इन टर्म्स ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी शी इज एक्सट्रीमली कंपैशनेट. कंपैशनेट मीन वन हु इज वेरी इमोशनल एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग and kind-hearted person who always takes care of her children. So who always takes care of her children, ये present indefinite sentence use किया मैंने, takes care, present indefinite, and who की हेल्प से दो sentences को combine किया गया ताकि I can make one longer sentence and quite meaningful sentence. She's really a mother and a friend to me, as she always takes care of her children. Sorry, my line got repeated. She really is a mother and a friend to me, as she always gives me valuable advice and is willing to stand by me. Stand by me here means support me in every thick and thin. कोई भी मुश्किल आए तो she is always with me through all the ups and downs. Ups and downs means in life, sad moments, happy moments of my life, she always remains with me. Although sometimes she drives me crazy due to her being a perfectionist. कभी कभी वो मुझे गुस्सा भी दिलाती है क्योंकि शी वॉन्ट्स टू बी परफेक्ट इन एवरीथिंग. आई स्टिल होल्ड सो मच प्राइड एंड रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हर. फिर भी मैं, मेरे मन में उसके प्रति बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है, मान सत्कार है. I am also influenced by her strong will. Strong will means strong determination. उनकी इच्छा शक्ति. She never gives up. वो कभी भी हार नहीं मानती, इसका मतलब ये है. Ever since she was young, she had to learn to be independent, as my grandparents were very busy and constantly on go. जब वो यंग थी तो उनको खुद ही चीज़ों को मैनेज करना पड़ता था क्योंकि मेरे जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स थे, मेरे नाना नानी, दे वर वेरी बिजी, और वो अक्सर अपने काम के सिलसिले में इधर उधर आते जाते थे. शी हैड टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग. she had to take care of everything. Her younger brother, household chores, household chores means घर के काम, and herself. She had to take care of all these things जब वो छोटी थी. Such challenges shaped her into strong person. ऐसे जो मुश्किल कामों की वजह से उसकी एक strong personality बन गई. That is, she is now. She is the very strong person due to the challenges she had faced in her childhood days. Her determination, उसका जो पक्का इरादा, as well as her perseverance and are really something for us look up to. इन वजह से हम उनकी तरफ देखते हैं. We have very much hopes from her, and I keep reminding myself every day to be strong as my mother. So I want that I should also be strong as like my mother, because she is really a wonderful woman. So the words that have been used in this cue card: an essential role means an accessory part, guardian someone who protects you, role model someone to admire or look up to, जिसके जैसा आप बनना चाहते हैं. Maintains a youthful look means to keep looking young. Compassionate, to understand and care about someone, दूसरों का ख्याल रखने वाले, kind hearted, दयालु, humanitarian, generous. To stand by someone means to support, to help someone in difficult situations. Ups and downs means good and bad times. Drives me crazy, to repair and improve something. For example, building. So to repair or improve something. She drives me crazy means here कि वो मुझे सुधारना चाहती है, और शी वांट्स दैट आई शुड बी परफेक्ट इन एवरीथिंग. तो स्ट्रॉन्ग विल, हैविंग स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन, टू बी डिटर्मिन्ड एंड नेवर टू गिव अप इजीली, जो जल्दी हार नहीं मानते. इंडिपेंडेंस, वेरी इजी वर्ड. ऑन द गो, ऑलवेज गोइंग समवेयर, जो हमेशा इधर उधर आते जाते रहते हैं काम के सिलसिले में. शेप्ड हर मीन्स चेंज्ड हर और मेड हर दैट वे, तो पर्सनैलिटी को शेप अप किया. डिटर्मिनेशन, पक्का इरादा, नॉट टू लेट एनीथिंग stop you from doing what you have decided. Okay, the perseverance, and to continue trying to achieve something, mean अपने काम में लगे रहना, पक्के इरादे से, never to give up. So these are the words or difficult words that shared over here. And a real life Wonder Woman means someone who really helps you or saves you. So I think this topic will help you to prepare your IELTS speaking. Thank you for watching this video.